Friends, good morning everyone. We hope you are everyone well. Friends, as you can see, the last we have posted already. The Botccoin is listed already 11 November 2022. You can see here the last we have posted already. Celebrate Coin 5th anniversary. BOTC will open a transaction at Coinw on November 11. Forwarded tweet reward BTC reward register link. You can see there. Updated DR Coinw wizard. Coinw will list Botcoin and open the BOTC USDT trading pairs on the innovation zone 11 November 2022. And you can see here when you will search on Google Coinw exchange and when you will enter there, you will get here. You can see here the first one Coinw already it was listed BOTC/USDT. Okay, so if you want to join this project, please check the description. There are registration link. 1 minute. You have to go after open this website. You have to go newest. So here you can see BOTC USDT. These are already registered. You can trading if you want, and wait for more updates. We will update about BOTC network. And which friends you are not registered yet BOTC coin, you can open our channel and go to the video section, and there you will get 1 minute. You can see here BOTC coin mining app, how to create BOTC. You can see here, you can watch this video and start mining. And which friends you are missed Bitcoin, you have one time opportunity to get this core. Don't miss this project. They are started airdrop from 2020 12 December, and the airdrop will end 2 years later, means 12 December 2022. You can get this link also description. Don't miss this. We have only 29 days left for free receive core. Thereafter we cannot receive core at free before it late. Join now. If you earn 2-5 coin, that also will change your life. So don't forget to join, my friend, and please don't forget like, subscribe, share our channel, and join also our Telegram channel if you have any question, so where we will give you better support. Thank you friend, have a great day.